Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and today I will show you how we can put this device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, you will want to hold your power button and the volume up at the same time, which will bring up the boot options. From here, just click on power off, and when the device turns off, you want to hold power button and volume down at the same time. Now, I do recommend giving it solid like 5 to 10 seconds after the screen goes black, and then holding those buttons, as if you start holding them too quickly, nothing will happen. So in case that when you start holding these two buttons, you're not feeling any kind of vibration in a matter of like 3 to 5 seconds, let go of the power button and then start holding it again. So anyway, power button, volume down. There's the vibration, so let go of the power button. And there we go, this takes us to the bootloader. In here, using volume buttons either up or down, you can navigate. Now we are interested in the recovery mode, so press volume down a couple times, like so. And you can see recovery mode show up here. Then press power button to confirm that option. Next, you will see Android logo with no command under that. There we go. When you do, hold the power button, press volume up once, and this then redirects us to the recovery mode. And in here, again, using volume buttons, you can select, enter Fastboot, and confirm it using power button. And this takes us to the dedicated Fastboot mode. In here, just like before, you can navigate through the options using volume buttons, and power button again will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Going over the options, we have Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android. Then we have Enter Recovery, which will take us back to the previous page. We have also a Reboot to Bootloader, which is the first page we booted into after turning off the device. And last is the Power Off option. Now I'm gonna just select the first one, confirm it, and this will bring me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.